a little walk. It's not necessarily a hike because there's no hiking, but there's like a huge walking trail like all back there. So we're gonna go back there, maybe film a little TikTok. I don't know, I'm obsessed, but yeah, we're gonna walk. Let me see it.
Wash it off.
Remember you used to collect rocks everywhere we went?
There's a river?
Yeah.
We
can go. I get so scared that a snake is gonna come out and bite me. But Ellie was calling me. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little river that's back here.
At one point there was water going off over there. Like
It's nice. Look how green. Like in that one section. Yeah, slide. Go slide for the camera. Yeah, right.
Yeah, I won't fall out.
Yeah, right.
Even if I did, I'll know how to get out. Just gotta be stronger than the
Ooh, ow. Ow. This is the perfect place to make a TikTok. Come on, Ellie. Bougie.
Let me have the baby so it won't go up.
Actually, no, let me go. Can I go rinse the rock in there?
Okay.
Okay, good.
What? What are you doing? Ellie, come here. Stand right here.
I know you can do it. You can come back up.
Let's do a little peanut butter jelly. Go.
Back up, but no.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Are you recording?
Peanut butter jelly time.
Peanut butter jelly time.
She said, okay.
Jerry, don't stay on there. You're gonna be.
Don't watch me, I'll get nervous. You too. Don't look at me. Let me see where. It's really hot. Oh, there. That's the money shot. Jerry's staring at me like, no. Those people over there
I want to break this rock on something.
can't last the whole walk. They're quitting. But we're gonna keep going. Because last time we came, we only made it about that far too, and that's literally, like, we basically barely came in. So, I don't know how far this goes, but we're gonna try to, I don't even know. Oh! Jairi! Are you wimping out too? Are you wimping out too? Wimping out. And
There was a bird here earlier.
I haven't even drinking water yet. They've already knocked out a bottle, I think.
Wow.
Which I don't know, that's probably not good for me. I don't know if I should be proud of that, but let's see. Pretty. Kind of, I think it's blurred. It's like not really focusing. Come on, Jairi. I just want to make it around that curve so that we can see how far it goes. Because, Jairi, you see right there? It looks like an arch or something. That's where I want to go. To the arch.
What? That tree looks like that one thing from Cars. The
What
Radiator Springs thing.
Which one?
Oh god, there's a bug on me and I killed it.
Mmm.
That's gross.
Wow, look at how the sun's hitting you. Oh. Look at how the sun's hitting you. Mmm. Oh, I love taking huh?
Are you recording me?
I'm recording myself. I love taking pictures in the sun like this, but it makes my eyes water so bad. And then in the picture I'm like, but let's see what I can do.
Whoa! Look at that bug.
Oh, I wasn't even recording myself. Oh wow, ew, what is that? That's like a stink bug or something. I think that's what they're called. Ow, stink bug. Let's see. Ew.
Harmless.
Not with their stinkiness. Their stinkiness is not harmless. I'm gonna try to take. Ah! Can you hold this? Thank you.
Stop.
What? What? What?
Nothing.
Did you see a bug? I mean,
Oh, there's another one right here.
I'm like scared of finding a snake in here. That's
Look,
what
there's something
I'm
right
scared
here.
of.
Look at this black bug, another stink bug.
Another stink bug. I wanted to. Ew, there's so many. You can't see them. Yeah, but I get nervous about them getting stuck under my hat. That used to happen in baseball.
Oh, look at this.
Hmm. Oh my god, why did I think I'm literally going crazy. I thought I was walking into something. Oh, this is actually kind of pretty. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, I can go down here, can't I?
Let's flip this.
Dad went.
Like a little swamp.
Okay, right.
I would love to go in there. Going to that other hiking trail that we did, there's a lot of little parts like this that you have to walk through and walk over.
Nice.
It's really cool.
The one with the waterfall?
Mm-hmm.
There's places with rivers?
I mean, it's not rivers, but it's like little, well, yeah, little ones.
Imagine drinking that water.
We went to this place where like you hike up to a waterfall and it was really nice. It was Trail Canyon Falls. And it has like little, I guess, rivers that you can walk over and walk through, and to like get down to the waterfall you had to climb down these rocks with a rope and stuff. It was really nice. It was a hike, but it was worth it. And he hasn't gone yet, so we want to go do that very soon. I would vlog that because the waterfall is really pretty once we get there, and the views going up to the waterfall is really, really, really nice too. It's just like really high up in the mountains, and I have a fear of heights. I have a fear of heights unless it's like roller coasters and stuff, because I know I'm strapped in and I can't like fall out or whatever. I mean, I can, but I most likely won't. But when it comes to being in the mountains and stuff like that, I get really nervous being so high, especially when like the trails get really thin. Oh, my anxiety. My anxiety. That's gross.
Hi.
Oh, they're actually coming. I'm such a freaking outdoors person. Like, I love hiking and I love going on like adventures. I love going on adventures and just being outdoors. When we did, I don't know if you guys have seen the oh my god, ew, that was a big bug. I don't know if you guys have seen the video of my Mexico trip. It wasn't like the video of the whole Mexico trip, but just like the zip lining thing that we did. That was my cup of tea. Like, zip lining. I mean, it was my first time zip lining, but the outdoorsy stuff, and we had to like hike and ride mules, zip line. We went down these like water slides and stuff like that. There was a lot that they didn't put in the, like, because they recorded us, we didn't record ourselves. We couldn't take our phones or anything. But there was a lot they didn't record, surprisingly. Oh my god, there's people down there. We can go down there. Look. There's literally people. I don't want to point the camera directly over there, but there's literally people right there. Which means we can go down there. But how? I don't know how. Oh, I'm assuming somewhere over there then, because this ends right there. So, let me see if they want to go down there. We can go down there. There's people down there.
I know.
Okay, let's go. Because I think you can go down right here. Because the thing ends right there.
That is it. No.
Which would be awesome, because then we can go see the little river.
Look at this.
We've never been this far, so we
We'll
didn't
go
know
over here.
like what's down here.
In this empty area.
Why does that look like it just drops? Oh, it doesn't. Wait, no, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it literally does. Oh, well, if you fall, I will laugh. You're never supposed to walk like that. You're supposed to walk with your feet sideways. But he still didn't fall, so watch me be the one to fall. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh, that's how you want me. Okay. This looks creepy. You know, like in like witch movies and stuff like that, that's what this looks like. Oh, it is a spiral.
Yeah.
Okay, let's follow the Yellow Brick Road then. Going and going and going till you get to the center of the Tootsie Pop. I'm so annoying, but yeah. I'm gonna have to bang out my shoes when we get home so I don't take glass in, but it's pretty cool. I learned my moves from The Office. Parkour!
Parkour! Michael, parkour!
Parkour! Parkour! Woo!
If you could backflip on that, then probably.
Oh, I could.
No, you can't,
I
Jade. Don't
literally
try it.
can.
Do not try it.
Parkour!
Core.
Ow, my hip went out.
No, it didn't.
It literally did. My hip goes out because of dance. But anyways,
Can we go to the river now?
I'll show you guys my better parkour skills on the day. I'm just feeling a little tired today. It's making fun of how I said that. I heard you the first 100 times.
Kill us. You're gonna
bugs.
be like, wah.
Oh, this leggings. This leggings kind of better. Why am I
Okay, please stop.
Why am I out of breath from doing fake parkour? I'm out of shape. I haven't been active for like 2 months because of this
Ow, my foot.
situation that we won't talk about.
Look at this.
Yeah. We're down at the water. There's people standing in the water down there, like right there in the middle. I want to stand in it, but I don't have anything to dry my feet. I'm not gonna put my shoes on with wet feet. That's kind of gross. So let's see if it'll stay focused enough for me to walk down here. But I love when things look like foresty and jungly. That's so pretty to me, no matter how kind of janky it looks. It's so beautiful to me. Even though it's a little creepy because you never know what creatures are gonna pop out.
Huh?
But I don't know. I love water. I love green, the outdoors. I love green, and then it's dead. Whatever these are. Let's see down here. There's people down here, but let's just see what is going on down here. Oh, I feel kind of. Well, down there's like a little, it looks like almost like a little, it looks like almost like a little pond area. There's like little kids in there, but I don't want to go over there because I think it's just like one family and they're like bonding, so I don't want to interrupt. So let's go to my papa over there. Oh, jeez, you make me break my foot. He's in there. No.
Tell him to come here. I was gonna put my finger on.
Jairi, come here. I was
Trying
saying.
to get her attention.
I was saying I wanted to put my go in there like them, but I just don't want to put my shoes back on with wet feet.
I'm gonna throw.
Are they? Is she not answering?
No.
I'll go get her.
You're gonna go all the way down.
No, but like yell. Wow, my brother's gonna go in too. Well, they're both wearing shorts, and I'm not wearing shorts, so I can't really do that. Going in. And it's cold. I'm jealous. Go in. To the middle. Mister, I'm going in. Look, there's an alligator. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's what I'm telling him. I'm like, go to the middle. Aw, look at them bonding in the freezing cold water. Alright, Jairi, ride the waterfall. Go. An Ellie and Uncle moment. Like she's trying to wipe the sand off her feet, but then she steps down and the sand goes back on her feet. You're so cute. Whoa.
That's good dirt.
It's good dirt? Wow. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to this little section right here. The guy that we were just talking to was saying that he like would catch snakes over here and then let them out back here, but he would just like to catch them. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's freaking scary. I hate snakes. I'm so scared of seeing a snake. I'm pretty sure I said that like 10 times while being out here, but I'm scared of snakes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm wondering if I turn this down, if you guys could see it a little better. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know, I just love water. I love green. It's so nice. Focus. It's so nice to be outdoors right now because obviously we can't really go out and do anything. We can't really, you know, be with people, friends and family and all that. So it's nice to get out and be in nature because at least we can do that, right? These people are staring at me like, what's going on? But yeah, it's nice to get out. I don't really want to talk about what's going on too much right now. They're literally pointing at me. Okay, I'm gonna go. We're gonna walk away now. Oy! And then I almost fell. Embarrassing. See them back there? Don't judge people. That's all I gotta say. Alright, we're going back. What?
For a second, I'm gonna put her on my back. Really hard to carry her.
She made us take her pants off because they got wet. Oh my god.
Better?
Talene's upper body strength. You just saw. I don't know. I didn't even get to make my TikTok. This is where me and my dad made our last TikTok together that I posted. It's so pretty. Oh, wait, you can't even tell. Oh, there you go. A little bit. You can kind of tell. But anyways, we are heading back. Actually, we're not heading back home yet. We're gonna go get ice cream and then we're gonna head home. So we will see you later. My arm.
I want to go on that side.
You wanna go like walk?
I want to on this side.
You wanna sit on that side?
Huh?
Okay, let's switch. Boom. Now you're staying quiet? You were just telling stories like 5 minutes ago. Tell some Bobo stories.
I just bubbles because I love bubbles.
You do? Oh, Bubbles?
Yeah, I do
I said-
the shark one.
I said Bobo.
Bubble.
Her dog's name is Bobo.
Yeah, her dog is named Bubble, everybody.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, baby buddy.
Baby buddy. Oh, jeez.
I'm doing that.
You're slipping, man. What are you doing? Her little shoes are so cute.
Shoes.
Shoes.
Stupid.
Oh, don't say that.
Look, it's a candy bar.
Yeah.
Shoes.
Ellie is a levy.
What's up, everyone? Jairi here. Today we're going to be talking about Star Wars. Now, the thing about Star Wars is that Jade has never watched a single movie full through of Star Wars. I'm going to force her to sit down and watch all of them.
Bye.
Bye.
Anyways,
Gonna watch them
we're
all.
just getting ice cream. I'm like, that's it. So. Alright guys, so I'm currently editing this video and I realized I didn't close it out or anything. So just wanted to say that I hope everyone's doing well, everyone's healthy. I mean, staying inside for the most part, but also enjoying nature and enjoying time with family and all of that. That's the most important thing right now. And just staying positive and not focusing so much on the negative and, you know, the situation that's happening right now. I know I said it a couple times in the video that I didn't really want to speak on it, but that's just because I think the best thing for us to do right now is to just stay positive and not focus so much on the negative. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought I could just, you know, put out something for you guys to see, you know, how we're kind of passing time during this quarantine and how we're just trying to spend time together and all of that. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like it. And I do have another video coming very soon, so I will see you guys very soon in the next video.
Okay. Nice parkour.
I really almost fell.